The story of the Nguni-speaking people is one of migration, adaptation, and survival. Though they share a common lineage, their dialects differ across southern Africa. But why? What led to the Lala-Nguni, Debe-Nguni, Ntungwa-Nguni, Thonga-Nguni, and Bambo-Nguni speaking the same Nguni language, but with strikingly different pronunciations? To understand this mystery, we must travel back in time. The Nguni traversed the African continent. Their ancestors once lived in the northern regions of Africa, among other Bantu-speaking people who today remain in places like Sudan, Uganda, Ethiopia, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Cameroon, Namibia, Tanzania, Congo. Oral traditions passed down for generations tell of a time when these people lived in Egypt, where they ruled as kings. But the invasions of foreign forces triggered a great migration. The Bantu people, including those who would later be known as the Nguni, began moving southward, spreading across the African continent in waves. As the Nguni migrated, they were not alone. Africa was also home to a short-statured people, known today as the Pygmies in Central Africa and the Abatwa in Southern Africa. Some settled further south, where they became known as Amaquenqui, a name that Europeans later butchered into Khoisan. Just like the Bantu, these Abatwa nations were diverse, speaking different languages. Some used click consonants, while others spoke without them. Intermarriages between the Bantu and Abatwa led to the blending of languages, traditions, and even genetics. As the Nguni spread across southern Africa, they interacted with different tribes. This led to variations in their dialects, forming the distinct groups we know today. The Ntungwa-Nguni developed a unique sound called Ukuqwakela, using click consonants in their speech. The Bambo-Nguni practice Ukutekela, replacing Z with T, for example, saying Abadali instead of Abazali. The Lala-Nguni are known for Ukuthefuya, replacing L with Y, so instead of saying Owakalala, they say Ukiaya. The Thonga-Nguni do both Ukutekela and Ukuthefuya, but without using clicks. These variations in pronunciation are not random. They are the fingerprints of history, evidence of how the Nguni people absorbed influences from different groups they encountered on their long journey south. Though history often speaks of the Abatwa as a vanishing people, the truth is they live on, within the very fabric of Nguni identity. Their linguistic influence is etched into the dialects, and their genetic presence is woven into the DNA of modern Bantu-speaking communities. But it wasn't just the Abatwa. Over centuries, the Bantu also encountered ancient traders, Chinese, Arabs, Asians, and later Europeans. These interactions further shaped new languages, giving rise to tongues like Kiswahili and even the colored communities of southern Africa. The Lala-Nguni, Debe-Nguni, Ntungwa-Nguni, Thonga-Nguni, and Bambo-Nguni, though diverse in speech, are one people. Their linguistic differences tell a story of migration, adaptation, and survival. They show us that, no matter how languages change, the roots remain the same. Nguni history is more than just words. It is a testament to resilience. A reminder that even though we may speak in different tongues, our ancestors walked the same path. Historians often say that the Ntungwa-Nguni represent the Sotho-Tswana group, the Bambo-Nguni represent the Tsonga group, and the Lala-Nguni represent the Kalanga group or Shona group. We are one.